last month, it is very important to make a realistic and feasible timetable and follow it wholeheartedly, giving time according to the importance of the different chapters. So I started with the important topics in all the subjects, and I was sticking to my timetable daily. I tried practicing as many questions I could and solving more and more model question papers within the limited time frame. Rather, 30 minutes before the scheduled time would be very helpful. I went to my coaching institute daily, clearing my doubts and giving these questions and analyzing my rank. That proved to be very helpful, and also revising the NCERT, especially the points that I had underlined previously, seemed to be important. During the last day, since we did not have school after boards, we had the entire day. So it depends on person to person. I preferred giving around 10 to 11 hours daily. In class 11, I feel kinematics, laws of motion are very important chapters, along with that rotation as well. So you shouldn't get intimidated by rotation in the beginning. It has got really difficult concepts. It takes time and it's a very gradual process. Go through the NCERT, and also you can go through different reference books. First start with the basic NCERT level questions, then do the previous year's questions, and then go on for the higher level questions. For chemistry in class 11, organic chemistry seemed to be the most important. It's the backbone for understanding the units in organic chemistry of class 12. Even equilibrium, thermodynamics seem to be important. In class 12, again, out of organic chemistry chapters, I felt aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acids was very important, and chemical kinetics. Biology, all chapters are equally important. You should be extremely thorough with your NCERT for both the classes, all chapters. The exam day strategy is be calm, because all your effort and hard work will go in vain if you panic on the last day. So just meditate, and I would not advise you to study on the last moment in the morning. Just be calm, composed, have breakfast and go. And I always started with physics first, because that kind of sets the toughness level of the paper. I could assess how many questions I needed to come back after completing. I gave about 1 hour to physics, and then I came to chemistry, about 40 minutes for chemistry and 45 minutes for biology. The remaining 35-40 minutes were for marking my answers and going back to the questions I couldn't solve in the first attempt. And you should also be very careful about negative marking. Stress management is extremely important during the preparation time. So I like chatting with my friends, or spending time with my younger sister, going out for a swim, or sometimes just listening to music. It takes a little time in the beginning to adjust to the massive change from school life to college life, but once you get into the routine, it's really fun. We've developed a sense of maturity, and most importantly, learning medicine from the top-notch Institute of India itself is a big privilege. The batchmates are all very friendly, and the seniors also welcomed us all very warmly in the beginning. Yeah, it turned out to be better. The faculty also here is very cooperative. It's extremely a pleasure living here, I would say. Since only 1 month is left, I think you should focus on your weak areas. You must have assessed your performance in the exams during 11th and 12th. So always start with your weak areas, focus on the more important topics, and then if time permits, go on to the other chapters. Solve as many questions as you can, do more and more practice papers in the limited time frame, and maintain your calm, most importantly. All the best.
Like the video? Subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay updated on other universities and